Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 with controller on your computer. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 with a controller on PC, you will need a compatible controller and to follow these steps. First, connect your controller. Connect your controller to your PC using a wired USB connection or through Bluetooth, depending on the type of controller you have. Then, launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So start the game on your PC through Steam or whichever platform you have it installed on. Then, configure controller settings in the game. Once the game is launched, go to the Options menu, look for the Controls or Gamepad settings. Here, you should find an option to enable the controller. Then, select the appropriate controller type. So Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 supports various types of controllers such as Xbox 360, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and generic PC controllers. Choose the correct one that matches your connected controller. Then, this is an optional action. Customize controller settings. You may have the option to customize button mappings or sensitivity settings if you prefer a specific layout. Adjust the settings to your liking. And lastly, start playing. So once you've configured the controller settings to your satisfaction, you can start playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 with your controller. Use the controller inputs to navigate menus and control your character during gameplay. If you encounter any issues with the controller not working or not being recognized by the game, ensure that your controller drivers are up to date. Additionally, some controllers may require third-party software or drivers to function correctly on PC. You can find these drivers on the manufacturer's website. So using a controller to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on PC should provide a similar experience to playing it on a console, offering more comfort and familiarity for those who prefer controllers over keyboard and mouse controls. Enjoy the game, and that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!